First, put the chicken into the cover, and then add the filler. Ice covers. After that, break 1 egg and put in the blender. Then add the seasoning, sauce broth, garlic, oyster sauce, brown pepper salad, salt, fresh anise. Then close the blender and blender the chicken along with the spices that have been entered. Add wheat until the mixes evenly. After that, move the dog, the dense constrain, and stir until the smooth. Meanwhile, the flavor is meter that has been put together. Then put on the fire and wait for it to boil. We continue. Take a spoon of the dog and put all the topping, skin, and the shape in the like one to the video. And you have food to grate the carrot on it. Do the same thing with the other dog. If you have to steam it, the dog in the stream that we are hot earlier, put the dimsum in the stream with your heart. If you have all the goods and the stream, take care. Wait for the dimsum to cook for 15 or 12 minutes if they cook it. Open the lid of the stream. Take the cooked dimsum with the food jug and move it to the plate. Then the plating and dimsum is ready to be served.